Sinigang.
Tingnan natin. O, pinakbit nga.
Alright! May patabling naman si Kuya. Hindi nyo naman kami na-inform, Team Sabaw. Individual grading ata yan. Sige po, thank you so much, Team Sabaw. Our next performer. Okay, our next performer, their team name is no other than Dalikha ng Diwa. Please give them a round of applause.
Wow.
Alika ng diwa.
Alika ng diwa. Mga Pilipino.
Mga Pilipino.
Ayan. Each group, makinig po muna tayo sa performance ng bawat isa. Okay po, wala na po magpa-practice.
Pala yung kanta, sabaw, sabaw. Ito.
Okay, once again, Likha ng Diwa, the floor is yours. Okay na? Okay, thank you so much. Likha ng Diwa. Hindi nyo naman na-inform yung leader ninyo. Okay, thank you so much. Likha ng Diwa. Our third performer.
May sariling mundo.
Sino?
Okay. Okay, our next performer, their team is Warriors.
Wow, warriors.
Okay na? Kaya today? Sige po, gitna lang kayo, huwag kayong mahiya.
Baho. Oh, dapat ganun.
Alright, once again, Team Warriors, the floor is yours.
Oh, panis.
Alright, thank you so much, Team Warriors. Grabe naman si Kuya kung makahila. Okay, our fourth performer. This team is no other than the team Pikachu.
Pikachu. Ang mga nanay kasali.
Pang-adiretso na siya.
Walang buses. Pika-pika.
Grabe naman si Pikachu pa, os! And with that, Kuya,